guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cutting open a geode, and we got it from the store, and our grandma got it for us, and I really wonder what's inside. This is what it looks like. We also have a rock identifier app, and it's pretty cool. It said that the rock identifier, from the looks of it, it was a geode. And we're gonna see what it is. It said it was like some type of quartz geode or granite geode, and one of those. So I really wonder what's inside. Let's get to it. This is an ankle grinder. We're going to be using this. There's diamonds on the edge. It's sharp, and there's diamonds right here. And this is what we're going to be using to cut the geode, obviously. And I'm wearing goggles for safety. And my dad is wearing gloves because he's the one that's going to be... He's the one that's going to be cutting the geode. This is a bunch of balloon thing. I know. Kind of weird. Bunch of balloon. All we want the water for is so it cools down and it doesn't like catch on fire or lots of sparks. Now let's plug it in. And now all you're gonna do is do a little, pretty cool, but okay. Let's start cutting. Can you touch it? Or is it too? Okay. This is pretty cool. Smooth.
You want to keep cutting?
Yeah, let's cut some more. It literally might be quartz. There's no crystals in it. Maybe that's why it wasn't breaking when we were hitting it.
Because it's solid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like when you open it. Dun, 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 dun. I thought it was going to be open, but it's solid. So, it's not actually a geode. We were wrong about that. It's an agate. A-G-E-T, I think. Whatever. But it's an agate, not a geode. Maybe it's a type of a geode, but it's not a geode because there's like no like crystals everywhere like these. It's not like these. Like when you break it open, there's like crystals and everything. And that's why we cut it open. Because we wanted to know what it was. And now we know. Like and subscribe.